hope all of you are fine. Children, have you all done your homework? Yes. Today I am going to tell you exercise 3.2. Okay. All of you take out your workbooks. Page number 56. Okay. Here you have to keep the correct articles before the nouns. Okay. So look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with a or an. Okay, you have to fill in the blanks with a or an. Okay, children? The first one is done for you. Okay, an, ant. Okay, ant. Why did you keep an before ant? Before ant you have kept an because ant is the word started with the vowel. Okay, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Everybody have to remember that. Okay. So, whenever any word starts with vowels, we have to keep an. Okay? An ant, an orange, like that. If the word starts with consonant words, we have to keep a. Okay? Is that clear? See, first one, an ant and a burger. Okay? Now, next one what? A sparrow. A sparrow. An insect. I is the vowel. Okay. So we are written an insect. Okay, children. Next. E is elephant. E starting letter is vowel. So we have to keep an elephant. Next. Bird. B is the consonant sound. Okay. So we have kept a bird. Okay, children. Next one, a kitten. An umbrella. U is the vowel. So we have kept an. Okay. And here E is vowel. So we have to write here an eagle. A mouse. Okay. An apple. An orange. Okay, children. Next one, exercise 3.3. Okay, see 3.3 everybody. Fill in the blanks with the correct articles. You have to fill in the blanks with correct articles from the options given. Okay, in the brackets, options are given. Whether you have to write a, an or the. Okay, a and the are the articles. Okay, children, is it clear? See, she is dash woman who knows magic. It's already done for you. Okay. She is dash woman. Will you write an woman? Wrong. Will you write a woman? No. So what you have to write, children? You have to write the woman. Okay. So she is the woman who knows magic. Sejal is dash a doctor. Sejal is dash doctor. D is what? Doctor. D is what? Consonant. So you have to write a doctor. So all of you tick on A and write A in the blank. Okay? A doctor. Next one. All of us know that dash earth goes around the sun. What dash earth you have to tell? On earth or the earth. Okay. All of us know that dash earth. Will you tell earth? No, it's wrong. We have to write the earth. Particular name has been given. So we have to write the earth. Okay? Write the. First tick on the in the bracket and then write the in the blank. Okay? Next one. Rakesh has dash ink pen. I, ink pen. Ink pen. I is the vowel. So what you have to write? An ink pen. So all of you tick on an in the bracket and you have to write an in the blank. First tick in the bracket an and then write in the blank an. Did you all understand, children? Okay, next one. We saw dash dolphin. Dolphin is a noun. Okay. So D is what? Consonant. So what you have to write? A or an? A. Okay. Write down A in the blank. Next one. Tim helped dash old man cross the street. Tim helped old man. O is the vowel. So you have to write an old man. Okay. So is it clear, everybody, children? First one, she is the woman who knows magic. Second, Sejal is a doctor. All of us know that the earth goes around the sun. Rakesh has an ink pen. We saw a dolphin. Tim helped an old man cross the street. Point 4. Okay. Complete the story using the correct articles. Okay. One is done for you. Bunty has moved into a new house. Okay. He is going to stay in dash bedroom. Particular noun is there. Dash bedroom. You have to write in the bedroom. In the bedroom. That is on the first floor. Where the bedroom is? On the first floor. Okay. Bunty has moved into a new house. Okay. He is going to stay in the bedroom that is on the first floor. Okay. Bunty's favorite toys. What are the Bunty's favorite toys? A car and an engine. Okay. Dash car. C is consonant. So you have to write there a car. Okay. You have to write here a car. And then E is vowel. So you have to write here an engine. Okay. Okay. Toy, a car and an engine are in his room. Okay. What are the favorite toys we have? A car and an engine. Okay. Then he loves his new home. He loves his new home. He loves his new home. It has dash garden and dash old swing set. A garden. You have to write a garden and an old swing set. Okay. Dash garden is Bunty's favorite place in the house. Dash garden is Bunty's favorite place in the house. The garden. Okay. The garden. So all of you write down. Okay, children. In part, elements of a story. The elements of a story are the different things that make up a story. Okay. Exercise 4.1. Look at the picture below and read the story. Here one picture has been given. You have to look at the picture and then you have to read the story. Then fill in the given table. Blanks are there, no? You have to fill the table. Okay? With the information from the story. From the story, you have to give the information. Okay? Also give the story a suitable title. You have to read the story and you have to write the correct information from the story. Okay, you have to complete the table. And then you have to give a suitable title for that story. Okay, children? Let us read the story there. Mummy, Daddy, Priya and Rohan visit a zoo. Priya loves teddy bear. Priya loves her teddy bear and does not want to leave it behind. So, she carries it with her to the zoo. Okay, what happened here? Mummy, Daddy, Priya and Rohan. Mummy, Daddy, Priya and Rohan. How many members are there? 4 members. What are the names of the children there? Priya and Rohan. Okay. And parents, Mummy and Daddy. Okay. Mummy, Daddy, Priya and Rohan visit a zoo. They have went to zoo. Okay. Priya loves her teddy bear. Priya loves her teddy bear. So, she does not want to leave it behind. Okay. So, she carries it with her to the zoo. She took her teddy bear to the zoo. Okay. Because she love the teddy bear very much. She likes it very much. So, she has taken her teddy bear along with her to the zoo. She sees many animals. They see lions, tigers, monkeys and bears. But the children like the giraffe the most. Okay? They are amazed by an animal with such a long neck. Giraffe has what? Very long neck. Okay? These people amazed and they like the most. Which animal? Giraffe. Okay? Next. Mummy, Daddy, Priya and Rohan go back home. Okay? After visiting the zoo, Mummy, Daddy, Priya and Rohan went back to their home. Okay? At home, Priya and Rohan draw a picture of a giraffe. Okay? Who drawn? Rohan and Priya. They have drawn a picture of giraffe. They showed this picture to their friends in school. They had shown the picture they had drawn, no giraffe picture. They shown their picture to the friends in the school. Okay? Priya and Rohan enjoyed their trip to the zoo. Who enjoyed? Priya and Rohan. They have enjoyed their trip to the zoo. Okay? They will never forget this trip. They have enjoyed a lot. So, they never forget the trip. Okay. Okay children, title. Okay. See in that first round, title. This is the name of the story. Okay. This is the name of the story. Give the story a good title. What's the question there? Give the story a good title. You have to write the title of the story. So, what is the answer? A visit to the zoo. A visit to the zoo. Finished? Next one. Second one children. Characters. What is that? Second circle, what is there? Characters. Okay. These are the people or animals in the story. We have to write the people's names and animals' names. Okay. The story is about them. The story is about them. Okay. So, what is the question there given? Who are the main people? Who are the main people? Animals or things spoken about in the story. What are the characters we have spoken about in this story? You have to write their names. So, what will you write? Mummy, Daddy, Priya, Rohan, Teddy Bear, Lion, Tigers, Monkeys, Bears, Giraffe. Okay? And then next one, settings children. Circle. See in the circle. This is where the story takes place. This is the place where the story took place. Okay? It could be in a house, school or park. Okay? Where does the main part of the story take place? Main part of the story, it took place in zoo. Okay? Are there any other places spoken about? Are there any other places spoken about? School and home. Yes? School and home. So, next line you have to write home and school. Okay. Next one. Events. In the next circle, events. These are the things that happened in the story. What happened in the story? Okay. You have to write what happened in the story. So, what is the question? Write about the things that happened in the story. What is the order in which the events take place? So, you have to write the events one by one. Okay. So, what you will write children? Mummy, Daddy, Priya and Rohan visit the zoo. Visit the zoo. They see many animals. In zoo, they see many animals. Yes? Next one. When they go home, Priya and Rohan draw a picture of a giraffe. Okay? After coming from the zoo to home, they have drawn a picture of giraffe. Okay. They show it to their friends in school. What did they do? They showed that picture to their friends in the school. Okay children, is that clear? Did you all understand what I said? So all of you now copy down full in your your homework is you have to complete exercise 4.1. Okay, you have to read that how you have written the elements there. You have to once go through exercise 4.1 full. Okay, story along with the table you have to read. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day.